Welcome to State of Tech. Let's take a look at customizing the app drawer on your Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. So swipe up or down anywhere on your home screen to actually access your app drawer, and you can see this is where all of my app icons are going to live for all of the apps I've downloaded from the Google Play Store, as well as the apps that have come pre-installed on my device. Now I have them currently sorted in alphabetical order, but you can choose to do that in a custom order by tapping in the top right hand corner, tap sort. Now we have the options for either custom order or alphabetical order. What I really like about alphabetical order is that if you have that selected, whenever you add in a new app, say you download another app, say a week from now, it'll automatically rearrange all of your app icons to be in alphabetical order. So that's really cool because you can always know where they are based upon the name of the application that you're looking for. Now, if that doesn't suit you, you can also choose to do custom order, and then you can rearrange all of the app icons in the app drawer however you want to. So now all I have to do is tap and hold on an app icon, and then I can move it anywhere in the app drawer that I want it to be. So now I have all of that done. I can even take this folder and move it down, and it's going to move that down to the bottom of the screen. Now coming back into alphabetical order, you're going to notice it does folders first and then app icons second. So if I were to add in a new folder, so let's go ahead and tap and hold on Facebook, and we'll select items, and I'm going to go ahead and select a few different items, some social items, and then we will select another one and then tap create folder. So I'll give this folder a name. Notice all the app icons in this folder are alphabetical. I've given the folder a name. I can choose a custom color for the folder. Let's go ahead and give it a blue color. And then I can even choose to add in more apps by tapping on add apps, tap another app, and then tap on add in the top right hand corner. And notice it did keep everything in an alphabetical order. And if I try and rearrange these app icons, notice I try and bring 1Password down to the bottom. Doesn't work because it is in alphabetical order. So now that I've come out here, notice that social is a blue icon, and it's kept the folders in alphabetical order, and then all of the app icons are still in alphabetical order. What's also to note of interest, and notice that I've put all these app icons in the folder, they are no longer in the main portion of the app drawer because they all live in that folder. So if I wanted them all back in the main portion of the app drawer, tap and hold, and then tap on delete folder, delete, and then it adds all the app icons back to the way they were. Now if I come back into sort and choose custom order, notice it reverts to the custom order that I had already created. Notice that folder down at the bottom is still there when I positioned it earlier in the video. And I can even come into that folder, tap and hold, and then rearrange those icons in any order that I wanted them to be as well. What's really cool is if in this view, if I tap and hold, delete the folder, we'll delete it. It added all the app icons into the empty spaces at the last page of my app drawer. Notice there are still some empty spaces that it could have fit in, but it just chose to add them all into the back of the actual app drawer pages. And now if I come in here and do sort and then sort by alphabetical, it's no longer going to have that folder in this view because I deleted it, but it does put all the app icons that were in that folder now more in an alphabetical order. And as a bonus feature, if I wanted to, I can actually search the phone. Say I was looking for a specific application, I was looking for Uber. Type in Uber and it shows me the applications that I was looking for. It's also searching my phone for anything else that I mention Uber, like a notes, messages, or even a photo. But just to quickly launch some applications, you can do that from anywhere on your device. Do a search for an app and you'll be able to find it. So that is how you customize your app drawer on your Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. If you found this video useful, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to see more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next one.